Hey, what's up guy, Make Brown here. Let's see how you can change the color of your eyes using Photoshop. Okay, there we go. Take your picture and move it to Photoshop. Obviously, it can be any picture that you have, but in this tutorial, I will use this picture. If you want to work with the same picture, I will leave you the link in the description so that you can follow the tutorial along. Okay, the first thing we have to do here to change the color of our eyes is to select our two eyes. Take the selection tool for your choice. For me, I will go with that one. Make a selection, hold hard. It doesn't have to be very perfect, but try to do the best that you can, you know. Okay, that's the best for the first eyes. Do the same thing to the second eyes. Okay guys, as you can see, we have two layers here right now. One layer is for our eyes and the second layer is our subject. Now if you want, you can rasterize the mask. Okay. Convert to smart object. Cool. So right now we can put some effect to our eyes. To do that, come here and add first hue and saturation. You highlighted your eyes, then hold hard and put the hue and saturation in the eyes. So now press colorize, and now as you can see, as you change the hue, the color of the eyes change. If you want, you can saturate the color if you want. For me, it's very nice here. That's the simple way you can change the color of your eyes. But if you want to go more deep, you can come here and add some more curves. Hold hard, and maybe if you choose the color green, you can saturate the color of this eye to more green. Maybe put some more exposure. Go hard, and then you can expose your color. So guys, that's it. See, that's before and that's after the color correction. Okay guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you want more tips or more small video like this, make sure to leave a comment and subscribe and like, and I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye.